What's up everybody? So once again we're going to be back with another cooking video where we cook some traditional Filipino food, and today we're going to be cooking one that we've never even tried before, not even in a restaurant. It's a very famous dish here in the Philippines called Pinakbet, a veggie dish. Usually I think it's with meat or shrimp, but we're going to be doing a full veggie version with tofu that we just bought. So I'll just go through all the ingredients that we're going to be using quickly. So we have the string beans here, okra, the green pepper, the funny looking ampalaya, I think that's also known as bitter melon, never used that to cook yet, eggplant, onion, tomatoes, garlic, ginger, and we're going to be using this big guy. Never cooked with this before. Over here they call it calabasa, and it's a kind of squash. And here is the tofu that we got. That is called tokwa. So I'd been looking for it for a while, I couldn't find it, but yeah, I got it today at the market. And also some fish sauce. As usual, I'm with Master Chef Carol. She's gonna do all the work.
Yeah, no, we're gonna do all the work.
No, you're gonna do all the work. So obviously we're not gonna use this whole thing, so I think I'm gonna cut maybe a quarter off. Seems like it's pretty hard to cut into. I don't know. Oh, that is tough. Alright, there we go. Check out the inside of that thing. Wrap this up and put the rest in the fridge. Loads of seeds in there. This size is okay?
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah, big cube.
I think in the pictures that we saw, it's that size.
Pretty big, right? Finished cutting all the pieces of calabasa now. So this is all that we're throwing away, the hard shell there. The part in the middle looks like it could be edible, but yeah, I don't think you use that. You tell me, Filipinos, do you still eat this thing? We're not going to be using it for our dish, so yeah, only this part here. And what have you been cutting?
Onion, garlic, and the okra.
Okra. Yeah, so not much to go now. Just the string beans and these guys here. I think for the ampalaya we don't need to use the whole thing, so yeah, we're also gonna cut it in half. We're just trying to kind of guess how much quantity we need. Yeah, just pretty much put how much we want to eat, I guess. I see now. So I think for this we're supposed to remove the middle. I think I remember people commenting that the seed inside is extremely bitter, so yeah, I think we cut all this middle part out. So we've finished cutting everything up now. This is definitely the veggie feast. Look at all those different vegetables there. Looks awesome. And Carol has just been making some steamed rice over here. Let's check that out. Yeah, so that's almost done. We haven't finished yet, but I think it is a bit of a simple dish to do, right?
Yeah, just vegetables and pork. I think we are making the tofu.
Are we gonna fry all the vegetables together except for tofu?
Yeah, I think
tofu we do separate.
The tofu separately.
But everything else can be together.
Yeah, I think so. I'm gonna fry the tofu first, and Yeah, and then we will start with the other vegetables in a different pan.
Yeah, so now we've got this restaurant area, now we can actually cook things at the same time. You can see we've got loads of burners here, so yeah, cooking's got a lot easier at this place. We're frying it in this corn oil. I don't think we've ever used corn oil before, but yeah, it seems to be cholesterol free, fortified with vitamin A, so hopefully it's good. And then I think we'll probably add a bit of soy sauce, right?
Yeah, just to give a taste, like a salty taste, because I think the tofu itself is not a tasty food.
It tastes of nothing pretty much. Yeah. But it's packed with protein.
So as always, we're gonna fry the garlic and onions first, and then we're gonna put the calabasa and add a little bit of water and wait for 2 or 3 minutes until the calabasa is a little bit soft, and then we'll put the other vegetables.
We read that the calabasa takes a bit longer to cook, and you can tell as well because it's very extremely hard, so yeah, that's got to cook a bit longer than any of the other vegetables from what we read. So we've been letting it cook for a few minutes, and then the recipe we saw online says to put, is it 1 tablespoon?
Yeah, 1 tablespoon.
Yeah, 1 tablespoon of fish sauce, and then let it continue to cook for a while. Looking good though.
So now we'll put the tofu inside and mix, and I think it should be ready in 2 minutes.
All the veggies are all cooked now, so
yeah,
we just mix it together. And I guess the tofu will probably absorb a lot of the taste of like the veggie juice that's in there.
That's what we hope.
Yeah, that's what we hope for. Smells really good though now. Tofu almost looks like chicken. The color. So we got the steamed rice ready. Just gonna put on all the vegetables now. See, we got quite a lot here. Look at that. So,
yummy.
Yeah, nice and steamy. Should I put it on top of the rice? Or at the side?
Just put there and then we can mix.
Yeah. I can already smell the tomato. Look. Need some tofu on mine. With some extra squash. Alright, time to dig into this thing. It really does look like such a beautiful plate. Looks even nicer because we got these wooden plates now at this resort. And I think this might be one of the best smelling dishes that we've had so far.
Yes, I think sinigang was very, like, had a very strong smell as well, but this one is...
I think it smells nicer than the sinigang.
Yeah. It looks nicer too. Okra and calabasa are 2 of my favorite vegetables, so I think I'm gonna love this. Yeah, let's try it.
I'm curious to see if the tofu tastes any good as well, or if it tastes plain.
We'll see.
Get a bit of everything.
Yeah. Mm. 11 out of 10.
11 out of 10?
Mm-hmm.
Does that mean it's the best out of everything we've cooked?
Yeah, I think, especially like vegetarian food, probably the best we've had in Philippines.
Yeah, I think it's definitely the healthiest as well. because it doesn't really have that much sauce. It's just pure vegetable pretty much.
Yeah.
And did you try the ampalaya? I'm really curious how that tastes. People say it's bitter.
Yeah, we'll see.
Yeah, there it is.
It is bitter. I don't like it.
You don't like it?
No, maybe if I mix with all the other vegetables, but
Alone?
just the ampalaya, no.
I want to try it out now. Alright, so just like Carol, I'll try and get a bit of everything on the first taste. So, yeah, chop up a bit of the tofu, get some string beans, pumpkin. I'll just go for that for now. Yeah, I think you're right. That is 11 out of 10. Oh, just so much mixture of vegetables. The tofu tastes great, I think. Let me try it on its own. Yeah, I like it.
Yeah,
I think it was a good idea to put the soy sauce.
And also, after we didn't mix with the vegetables, I think it got a bit of the taste of the vegetables.
So calabasa squash isn't something I really eat that much, but let's see.
I love it. In Brazil, it's called abóbora.
Yeah, I need to eat that more often. Really good. Let me try the ampalaya.
Ampalaya. Let's see what you think.
Smells okay.
Yeah, it smells okay. Oh, you ate the whole thing.
Oh wow, that is really bitter.
Yeah.
Yeah, on its own.
No.
Oh, I can't even handle that.
Yeah.
I need a Coke. Swallow it down. Let me try mixing it with other stuff like eggplant.
A bit of rice, maybe.
Yeah, a bit of rice.
Better.
Yeah. I think the other foods cancel out the bitterness. But yeah, I'm loving the tofu though. We were almost going to make this dish with fried fish, but then since I found the tofu at the market, we decided that instead, and yeah, it's a good mix, I think.
Okay, can I stop filming? I want to eat.
Yeah. So probably about halfway through the dish now, just finishing it up here. Me and Carol were just saying this seems like more of a meal that we could even have on a more frequent basis. I think like sinigang and the adobo, even though we thought it was delicious, it's not really something we'd want all the time, maybe like once a week kind of thing. But this, yeah, I could eat multiple times because it's not really like a saucy dish or anything. It's just kind of almost like raw vegetables, raw cooked vegetables with not much extra sauce added or extra taste added. So yeah, it's just an easy dish to eat, and like we said, it's so healthy, just the whole mixture of all the different vegetables and everything. And it's been cool because it's different ones that I've never tried before. Even though the ampalaya was a bit strange to us, it's still interesting when it's mixed with all the other things. So hopefully you enjoy this video. There's plenty more cooking videos to come up. Not sure what we're going to be cooking next, but yeah, just stay tuned and subscribe to the channel if you'd like to see what we will be cooking next. And follow us on Instagram if you'd like to see what we're doing in real time. Drop a like on this video to support us, and we'll see you in the next one.
Bye.